milo agbe donava don mi akpoga ne mauna lagbe de teneme ya here. Happy birthday na amesia make ojile June, especially today 13th video katan ke mark the messages ado ne ma yiwana ji me nani X Top Radio Ghana, X Top Radio Ghana. Nyape website nye topfmonline.com, topfmonline.com. Yele Claire La Fema Authentic Mama Fan page on Facebook, Claire and Live. Sienna YouTube page, Sienna Facebook page. Nyano vi yo katan le North America. O ha le mi anko senfien ya. Elabe o take nyape a transmission live you all streaming la fema lope TV kule Facebook oji le North America yeda akpenao yewe le toji yata miano vi yo katan le America di come alo Canada o le mi anko senfien ya yata ne bi adofia ina won lo to la pekle gbe amon popo la si obenado text or WhatsApp da alo ameyo le fan page adia na do wo message da le 0244 Top Radio back 0244 066752 0244 066752 text or WhatsApp messages so have la fama nene le Authentic Mama fan page ajia you leave your messages there I'll read them out for you. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining us live. Share the links, invite your friends. I bet o ha ope contribution na a vertical when go yi fedo dasi ene amesame ke le ponye le Authentic Mama fan page ajia share none of you na invite you eyanye o ha ade kenele wo be vertical be na keketa. Messages obe hi MFI, you are doing great. Anytime you come on air, our hearts are filled with joy and happiness. Kudos, thank you. But please, I like your Borborbor pedia. I will bring a pen drive anytime I happens to be in your premise. Top Radio back okay, ebe itakpede do imiele wo lata miawele doji ne mieva radio ajile kwa ejijo yo kata akpena efo unkomele hu ya you can send your name manya amekele no form. Okay, apeto davie mefa mia medofia ina wo medibe na pokana todola veviet alo todolao vevieto afi koko pogo le kaswa efojo free kofi agbojinshi cho aigbe town Jamaica Junction Accra eya ile message e doda be mafo kana afi koko pogo le kaswa eye todola kata ha ebe mi adu ode haji fojo free agbojinshi akpena o ewele toaji aigbe town tokata hododrio na me mecho hasiele fiendo na Top Radio back kore be mecho hasiele fiendo na Isabella Jidepo Nyonyo Emmanuel Jiwonu Nyonyo le Medina EP Trinity Parish Accra Echo Presbyter Francis Nyonyogbo le Medina. Okay, thank you so much for leke for near the Presbyter. Okay, Authentic Mama, you are the best. Thank you so much for promoting Everland. Thank you too. Okay. Good evening to you. I am Constant inside Laboni, wishing my mom happy birthday to her age with massive. Okay, she's in Pando. Okay, merakuleko yovok bava ye mekhlene leko fam ya mekhle de un sigbe de kuku ele gbogbo happy birthday na ino no ebele Pando oyo ebe Constant yele no pocho Laboni ye do happy birthday na ino Top Radio back kore. Okay, eyale gbogbo Authentic Mama. Good evening. May God Almighty bless and strengthen you for your good effort of bringing unity and peace among the people in the country. I would like to use this opportunity to wish a birthday, happy birthday in advance to my dear love, Grace Jubodi Amegbe. Grace Jigbodi Amegbe. She's born 27th. My name is Rory. Okay. 27th of which of month? This month or well, okay. Happy birthday now, Sister Grace Jigbodi Amegbe. Okay, wabe maybe one. Okay, because my message recorder. Okay. Well, how messages none of our via. But good evening, Sister Mefa. I am listening to you live from Pokwasi, Myra Adrasa. My name is Togbi Nochu Dowu Koko Daniel. May God bless you for the good job you are doing for Mother Ghana. Thank you so much. Togbe Nochu Akpekakaka Myrato Miawele Twaji. Good evening, Sister Mefa. I am listening. Okay. Pokwasi my okay, yeah, mama you go home. Good evening. Please, how are you doing today? Today is my lovely late mom's birthday. Okay, yeah, I think the Zongo Junction to Apeto Bola Simon to Kaneshi Zongo Junction message I think is old one. Happy belated night. Bye. Okay, novi todo lao. Ohana tando message so that mark no kata now. Le ye inwe toji. Ya wenye test messages ado. You le emoji. Top radio back kore. Ma ayichine. Ma Facebook messages ado. John Agbove. Afeto John Agbove. Ebe le miakmom. Bombi Bakla. Ebe le miakmom. Elom Kumi. Ebe le miakmom. Harrison Ajim. Ebe good evening, Mama. Long time. I'm watching you live in Ungwa. Raviko, aka Eze Ego One in Ghana. Eze Ego One in Ghana. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hello, good evening. I'm watching you live from Alajo. Apeto John Agbove. Apeto Francis Nyonyobe. Hi, authentic mama. Melekpom Cho Medina. You make me feel my hometown. Ohwe. Bless you. Happy yourself. Thank you. Bawa Hotel. Top radio back kore. Bawa Hotel. Eyaha lemiakpom. Menyafika lemiakpom chill. Apeto Emmanuel do ebe keep up. Thank you so much for you ma. Koku ansa. Efo koku ansa be lemiakpom. Emmanuel do ebe you are doing well. Thank you. Apeto Joshua. Nka. Wabish. Bishi, ebele miakpom. I don't know from where. Thank you, Afeto Joshua. Koku answer, ebele miakpom. Afeto Harrison Ajembe, great job. Philip Kwashi do, ebele miakpom. Afeto Wisdom Kaglobe. Good evening, authentic mama. You are welcome. We thank God for giving us another Saturday. God bless you. I am Wisdom Gaglozu, watching you live from the Me Accra. Greetings to all mates from Weja, from Vegbek Parliament in the Volta region. Okay, for Wisdom Kaglo Akbe, Vegbek Parliament told me I do the Haji. Afeto here for that die, Elemiakpom efo Akbe now. Afeto William Jabe, Elemiakpom. Thank you so much for William Jabe. Safin. Raman Elemiakpom Akpenao Safin Raman Apeto Edem Asima. Okay, Apeto Edem Asima honorable ya. Nanyebe honorable Edem Asima ya. Thank you so much, honorable. Williams Jebe. Ebe good evening, authentic mama, queen of the airway of the Evers. Thank you, Apeto William Jebe. Apeto Kwame Michael Srigbezo. Hello, Segbejo. Okay. Segbejo. Kwame Michael Segbejo. Melekabiamna dodome to kata enye mianovi Kwame Michael Hanani Kwesi. Okay. Dodome tobe yodogbenami. Afeto Raymond Awiyaga Efonye, my colleague, GBC, authentic mama. watching the show live. Thank you so much, Raymond. Share the links to your people. Mauko Jikunu, Afeto Mauko Jikunu is also live with us watching. Afeto Michael Jikunu, okay, Mauko Jikunu, okay. The CEO of Glory Oil, Afeto Mauko Jikunu, Daddy, Medofia now, Akbebe Nilemo Jiklimi. Afeto Eric Kofi Dajawa. Good evening, Sister Mefa. I am watching you live from Kaneshi. God bless you for the good work. John Agbovebe Lemia Pombawa Hotobe. Well done, Mefa. Watching you live from Bawe. Okay. Akpe Nyaichi Mapokado. Merekuku messages on none of Avam. Maklonami at the right time. Nyaichi. Seka minute eve na my jiple newspaper headline. Have you my jiple agbajana mi emegbele after the newspaper headline? Medeko mi seka yada Borborbor last one. Minyo Borborbor group talk show as chairman. Minyo Borborbor group talk show as chairman. Yo ha obu fe member de ka mucho menyabe this month so yo leji haya ayina mikata. Authentic mama. Authentic mama. Got minute plan level I turn to top 103.1 FM. FM cause some Medota Flatemia Ijikle newspaper headline segment Opo minute plan nevoaton 5:45 top radio 103.1 FM Medota Flatemia you wanna Genie do newspaper headline segment thanks to you computer clinic. Thanks to you, computer clinic. Talk if they want to best sponsors when no fit to la mi le kafuna obe nene be ya clinic adodo ya de na po article adodo wa check wo system anwe akpo edo eketutu le lewa fi wana article wa emenye try and lack to reke wa eke ma me kafu na obe jagbagba na thanks to you computer clinic to gbo o da do vo de sia de do ma hi mese wo do lelele fi o me ka chiji oyi ko na Kojie o da do vo o mata hano ka town ka ke be to yo mele gbogbonye infertility prostate diabetes stroke gonorrhea asthma typhoid stomach ulcer white candidiasis insomnia sickle cells severe headache pleto kata o da do vo fibroid pleto kata le thanks to you computer clinic talk and nakpo thanks to you computer akpo le kweno nie suhum le asaman kese moji afuma ole ewe anenya call phone then your doctor no now direction ye kwa menye bubu pe kra ole moto yo ole 0545 252 880 0545 252 880 or 020 596 1109. Thanks to you, computer clinic. Okay, for the one at no be to allow. In case you also want to place your advert on Top Radio Dunenyo Borborbor show, contact Authentic Mama later after the show on 0244 066752. Netbe yawo advert alone netbe mi yawo advert now adobo blow do fe enu yo ne wona anu yo ne drana afi ne le pleto na le program ya gia no fi todo la o mele kafu na obe program ya edit affect like be edbe abrochi go ha la be o le mi an kosem la brochi e ya tane netbe mi adobo blow asigba ona onu idram ne le nanye be no ekelasio ne le jajira afi ke ne le mi apo no tun na le radio ya ji wo no bakleto na mo wa se ayo wa ke ma na yo Authentic Mama le program amegbe menye fifi o le 0244 066752 ne na vakpedem ya onemia awo na wajefia toje gato ne wo hana koga ela benene le asicha le vivitima amereke mele onko sewa vivitime kona no wonle no vitodola makeketa egaiti ega koga no na kodiga ebio nyafasi mese nyebubran nyele konyifa omele gakpo kakeme koga deke kolega deke de ode menye fish na kode fisha en la ko de la de ne me ko de ke ko la don en la kadine le bi akpo no vitodo lao me de kuku mi va wa advert ne e dona keketa o maka no tepedeka every day 50 cedis 100 cedis mako wow malia amegbe tope tame sele novia un iata haya ele no kromi be meka kana madeke jiolo ame yiji ne kanda aya na nye wo wula eya na nya make le te o de to eya ta me kanda meji o the only person I can attend depend upon eya nye Yehowa miama o jipo pla yingba wola meka kosusu de ke gana madeke jio amegbe to tame fiti amegbeto tame fiti amegbeto tame sende novia ano pole ano no koda ka kekale wuwo alo le wo down for di no bi todola kande Yehowa koji ya ehaya eto minyo Borborbor group togo la shama so weto ba afuma wono ebe meka kana marekeji la ingba ya ju eto kre nongo ha amekeji kuna kando akosusu dareji anye Yehowa ela be ya ma felu eye ma no ko alonu koda o akano wo eya pekwe authentic the one with Penami to the lava vow, then ya pay ye then ye come ya pay radio that the top radio 103.1 Papa Lauchi got 10 minutes blaton von 554. Then if you have never through more authentic play Dunenyo Borborbor show point cosem top radio Papa Lauchi wanna let you tune vename. Can you live like top radio on Facebook, Top Radio. Miele live la YouTube, Top Radio Ghana on YouTube. Follow. Na share na no problem na po na katam. Miele TikTok, Kenya Top Radio 103.1 FM official. Miele live la Top Radio Ghana, le X. Miele live la Instagram, Top Radio Ghana, also Instagram, Top Radio Ghana. Nyape website topfmonline.com, topfmonline.com, and also live Authentic Mama Fan page on Facebook, Authentic Mama Fan page on Facebook. Share, follow, I like one all of my live. Let's eat. Top Radio back Siana YouTube page, Siana Facebook page, nyele clear live like afima Siana enye if you open Borborbor. Nyanovi evyo perhaps bomia pe sister so brothers yo katan he jole Ghana he le America de koma ope habobo onye miavio miato mianovi yo katan jole Africa de koma le Ghana pa pasi akpa le Togo le Benin pleto Nigeria pleto ko ba le America de koma yo opofu obodokyo eye o association do yo be Siana Council of Every Association in North America, Pede Kwenye Siana. Ofe Haboboma, Odo TV, Afima Odo TV station, Afima Odo Facebook, Pletoyo, Owanave program. So, Afima, Eyata, Saturday, this year, le Top Radio, Papa Laujia. Top Radio back, Ned Dunenyo Borborbor show, Hele Gilafia, Okonami live, Eyata, Memeleno Puma, Nene Siana. CEANA Siana YouTube page, Siana Facebook page, an authentic mama pe wona katan pom la fima ya tamia no vio katan America de come le Canada e yo katan le UK France pleto Norway pleto olemi anko sem olemi akpom live e ya tanene wa advert le Dunenyo Borborbor show je le Ghana na nya be ele yi all over the world la fima katan nya no vio la fima ke efe ya me a Council of Every Association in North America, Odunaza, FSAF, Ekoyobe Siana Convention, 2026 Siana Convention, Ekakbojinogbe le Washington DC this year. Ajegomele September penkeke etonlia vakede September penkeke Andrelia le Washington DC, America to come. Eye authentic mama, Maupa Menuveve, man of Mako, one of Venami. Top Radio back. One now an authentic mama fan page, Ajiano Top Radio Facebook page, Pleto Junami, le ye matne convention do, ke ameyo, nye le ameyo, nye evyo, yo odibe wa ye fuma, ava academian of you, afuma do diega, convention on you all over the states. About 22 states, a low group so state vovovo ava a converge le one big hotel Odunaza abeleke miewo miafe hogbeto cholo etezan le Ghana la fia le hopleto yo anenema yo ha odrie o portray na miafe evepe culture awdodo nududo wonao bevie tonye egaodina o jona galo bodo kome yo kokpena kovana amonu tome yo cover to na school ho alo kodio bridges so ple enu vovovo ike hia amonu tome o wonena e guy ko jol America o kovana Ghana e yo va wona do le afi e yata nyano vi o la fama o mebo brain crowd o meta sa sita me la fama le nduko o le nkudo afeji le gajolo bodo kome yo cover le eveyin gbaji tudo alove tudo o wo do le Ghana o wo do le Togo le Benin pete ko in Nigeria o wo do la fama yata ne mi le gbedoda de mi aviota mi anovio la mi no gbedoda do ta be donanyo na o ne wakpo anovava avano do wona duko amunuto me vevieto novito do lao Siana 2026 elegy le Washington DC. Malfa menveve no doji kwa nyase wona e miakpo wona kata. Makomo npopo ya mado na members so kata Siana members so Canada to America to medog benami members so kata vevieto president apeto dem kuma nyefe producer le afuma kenye former PRO of Siana apeto Steve there backplace no lo sister Vivian Sister Vivian Newman, Pakle de Viokata, Dion Cleto, Sarah, Medobenamikata, Ple Apeto Pla Feno, Akaho, Le New Jersey, Medobenamikata, Reverend Father Ja, Reverend Father Dr. Ja, Medobenamikata, Ple members Okata, for Patriarch, Duple Tokata, Mikata Midu de Haji, Akpename, Yanye. Egbepande de na esiana to ve wonao elabo komi live le afuma ole nkonye sem live ye ya de be mia iji pele newspaper headline nuka we jo le Ghana to come gbantonye abaleke ni enya be we are in the rainy season ya echi je gome 2 weeks ago he jamo dem le all over the places dansuma mele bobobomo tema community 5 mele bobobomo kaswa to ya boboin nuka kaneshi ya omekapu anu chonwo emo tefegede le Ghana echile amode alegbegbe enye nubla ninya ke eyi mechie jegoma obe mina mianya bez echie gome jeje koyelo echiga ole moji gbona ayata meyo katan le waterlogged areas wa obe miano miadokyo pom na chile jaja de pom miadokyo movement pleto la be gota o miato miekpo Ghana pe main roads ganga ofete na echija omekakpona gota different between gutter and the main road o make akpone ni menya leke tututu contractors o kon le do le Ghana le gbegbe na chija main road ga gutter ple echie pa ple gutter kata sona e ya ta na menya le very careful ko ejo de gutter me ebu o fagbe o deje si be mi afa anu wona ye dumevi ope nu wona ye o duplola be dumevi ope indiscipline ye na chile jaja never call egbe ofa dudo ekoba fede echime top radio ba kore unchonye to mekpade echile jaja bola vio le chacha pele keke vio ba lo bola fete a echile jaja le gota ganema eko bola katamba le kokode e gota de me mekwe kabe nyatefe indiscipline le Ghana e yakwele emiafe nu yawo ameyo ne nyabe echi waterlog ye echi chafenye manka can never play never high ne to store deji ne to hodeji ane lefuma ne chija yo chila mole ne la fa dobe jidudo aneva wona de ne nuka tututu jidudo ava wona ofifi ye wa de now enya be chime ka can never play ne fili ameyo le filling stations o tu filling stations ado wa waterlogged area yo over fili kaka dojime ela be galosi e ye over to filling station ne chija echiletepedi ne wato in fact Ghana fifia echi afa jaja within only 2 weeks or so ya ene kpomnya fe mode emowa Ghana fe mo kata basa potholes o kata ododeji alegbegbe fifia meka nye potholes manholes yo bazu and it's so bad melegboglobe melagbagbaje makase onabo Gavin agboja bewa anami over in this turnover power fa mekpo enado jegome feeling of potholes all over the area so kake dokova tokplo over like concentrating on this big push project o ganga kakede nyefe babia nyebede menye domie le ehodome yo mie le community yo mie la menya fumaye Mereku ameyele yo na nya be mele community yo me hemiela menye emoji mi azogba pe emo mi azo eya mi ezo na cover in adome pleto da I don't know how be
top radio back kore
nyemenya aleke tare otase portals o hehel fifi echi ba jajaja portals nene bi adola fe me azomo a I don't know menya leke olelegbo menya leke ofe area lo ofe monyo a echi le jajaja mi afe monyo a vevieto a TDC flat tema community 2 areas o katam basa TDC o to ho le high o le jajira pleto kako dasle mon basa menya meka draw le be TDC be TDC to la forma to ho le high pleto government to ma kakede emode o ma wo mona ameyo mi be wa high ho alo aple ho wa fine one ototo Ghana honorable agboja mi de kuku port was all so too much echi jajaya ever expose Ghana femo alegbegbe ameseme kwebe momele Ghana sio ya tamie le kuku debe port was filling of port was assembly so
top radio back kore
ashama uncho mekpobe ashama some areas so obe you le demonstration wogbe elabe port was all over emopite basa ashma honorable Freeman very soon I'm already answer question and I'm anya so far 1 year plus no kanye do kado mi wo ashma shama to wano jajirado honorable Freeman enye to honye de ka be emofite basa enye be wa few port was so all over the places not only ashama all the places tema community 25 areas ado monji kleto emole wo pito dasele mon basa nyele kuku de na honorable Kwame Agboja be wana district assembly so ameseme wa wodo wa feel pothole so dede afi wa no big push o wo me no enu ya po motorway ya echikeja o le motorway wo kake basa bi basa traffic every day na chijak traffic pleto mo pete manye talan hado don't we know about construction wall motorway kakia what apart the pay me to le too much be me anozozo gbode o ma to be moya motorway wa for 2 years or 1 year or whatever pay amegbeto ma ba kujojo le moji ode because of big potholes ado mo pete va zo manholes what I feel yo vide na me ano managing gbopede. It's too much. Mede kuku nyanya jojo gbanto chipe jajakla leke no le ji akra enuka meto fenku biazon o le chacha be yo le demolition exercise wo ame yo to ko de chitepe wo le mi o agba ho na mi alo je gbagba gomo hoho nad moto o kata le chacha zoom lion to je gota mo den pleto yamale ba bia be ezongo fenku avwa kakede obe atamia mem to mi apesto o le waterway ple company ple ekokle to aminye be o le chacha fifi obo nku mia ncho chima kaja ncho la veno story building bubu kaja ka mu owu amekrapo go ha ncho ha ekenye so bad. This is the third one or second one or so le achieve yo javari meko kakezongo the main one so bo ayata o le chacha ne hoyo katan hele tefo uncompleted yo completed one eto abandoned for long pleto ke ohia be wa pull down wa be yo acha yo le chacha o le pulling down wo no vi todola ta na eto la fama kwa na no getting ready eye ma akaba favina government bede o gba yo ho never compensate pleto la be enye be echitepe alo egbele hodi ho le gbegbele we to le po you couldn't do any renovation yata no mu ya efiabo mu ho na no vi todola o
top radio back kore
enya jojo veli anye be abeleke mi ape duplola His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Gbolobe stress free alo no stress free wona obe ebe yetibe ya wo promise le campaign time be education. I want to make education very affordable and accessible to all Ghanaians, especially here to ameyo no pass why is a university pleto no gati akowo processing pleto ebe eva be yakpede ameseme be here to bo view ha wata in school le plejujo eyata open loan yo cover be wana loan the view wako a process open school fees o kleto awe be waton ayi school a nyatefe duplola ejegome eye wole dowom alegbegbe stress free
Top radio back correct.
eyata ele ona loans so far be you na loans student loans cover over 530 vulnerable learners so you na loan wo student loan no be whatever process obodo kyo akọ school be America ma pressure man no America ji the school fair play omo then ma ke law students o ha ebe you na of 800 law students o loans pleto be wo ha wa process obodo kyo ayi school enye no eke o promise le fe campaign you vale wo be yakpede school vion be amesem na the school ado jijo no vitodo lao school fair menye school fair ta amade achi afeme alo amade matanya school ya glom ya fe dukola le ye ojegome yo obe yo leji lewo enya jojo etonle anye salaga abeleke nyenya recently
Top radio back correct.
le gelefia eyime miesebe nyono adeva gv eyimo gv le koji le gelefia evie jiji megba evie babu devie babu amadeba fi devie le kolaji eke onyenya vai kakaka some 3 or 4 months ago o wakaka kakema opa menfebe ole amekenye nyono eke ba fi devie le koji a ole eyo ho devie kona edada Muchwa mieka leko mieka kpobe afiade le northern part of the region salaga miesebe nyonu ade ha kava GV eyimo yikoji va GV voa ekpo de vie pepepe ye GV okwefie onye nyonu vi kasia o anya de vie bu ole de vie di ba krefifia o mekpo de vie hado o menya meka ha ba fi de vie ha le koji hado so far ona mienye be a day old baby stolen at Salaga Hospital after delivery. Abeleke mi atomi sema.
Top radio back correct.
Oji devie kwa, devie bule koji. Fifi mele no po obo le midwives am vede a o arrest so ole investigation wo wakpo bede leke tututu ojivi mi jivi mi anto deliver devie wonu yaka fika mi le afi amade va fi devie joy le dadagbo enyenya ike le fifie Ghana Health Service plus stakeholders so collaborate plus Salaga Hospital eye o le investigation wo be wa akpobe mekaeba fi de vie le koji aleke wo de vie bu le koji eye wa ola gbagbaje be wa kunume wa akpo ameke tutu fi de vie wale eye wa akode vie akonna dada no vinya salao enu ya ha this is the second time in this year so far nyebe mi akpobe enu ya ebe azu a trend be anovava eyata nene le koji yi bi abajivia na no very careful for me to no one no uti o
top radio back correct.
amado no obosu no yi vigipa o make cry o da sele nyono awon pele mebi nyono akle no via de kare kopleto a ofifia looking at what is happening nene jivi de vie le bubu le koji pleto wa ehia ba mesem na no very alert nene yi vigipa le koji a na no careful le wento ovi ke na yi bi ajiun for metodo anu uti o plik $4 ekenye nchua anu uti o plik be amadeke makpo loopholes adekeko aba fi de viajo miato minya avijiji menye no vi onyo ajiviko amede na aba fia enye no blaninya e anyenya jojo etonia eke kale jojo alojo le Ghana as melenupoa ole investigation wo be wakpo ameke tututu va fi de via so fa omekpo e hado no vi todola enye information na metodo lao na mi ato yi koji a elebe mi no alert le mi adoko menye be vigipe de deco
top radio back correct.
menye vigipe de deco na miikodeji they say the public places they say they call elebe na no vigilant le de ko be ano de tie we to na security do ko mekada sele mi adoko nko abura no call pleto mi agle mi avio dran ko wana kodika se na nya amade kwaji ameseme na no vigilant looking at what is happening so far let to come no vi to do lao enya jojo mamle ke wumi aponu tofie ya nye World Cup 2026 World Cup eke le eji le 3 countries eke nye Canada, Mexico play USA. Ghana mi afe first match on the 17th eke nye coming Wednesday ya Ghana up of a match so far Nchole Mexico mo ovu World Cup ano it was so beautifully done. Oh ceremony very nice. Ya mesia mekpojijo amoyi Mexico to bele ofe counterpart ofwa South Africa to ofwa Mexico to dominate odru South Africa ji.
Top radio back correct.
Le first game le Mexico nchua World Cup enye Mexico versus South Africa Mexico to odru South Africa ji no fi todo lao me odru South Africa ji Africa du ko gede opojijo be odru South Africa ji babi anye be nukata Africa to opojijo nukata Ghana in particular opojijo o support Mexico against South Africa. That is the question. Egbe anye babia. Me football avoa Mexico top coach. Me interview na be ye me pokpo me jokpo be Mexico le ball for Africa countries get they will support you it was so amazing now you make pokpo sigbo eduko get the in Africa to instead of support Africa to over le Mexico to support kakea nyato mienya nweketa onyo
Top radio back correct.
nyato mienya enweketa Africa to call Vevieto Ghana to kata wo support Mexico against South Africa. They offer a tagbosesen obo tagbosesen ke ole wo fe duomele obo dumele South Africa de Ghana de Copa Africa de kobubu onwa eyata Africa de call ono against South Africa. So far Oduoji in their first match Oduoji and a lot of people, a lot of African countries are happy because of their wickedness ke ole wo le South Africa to lame be yo le Africa tonya alo yo novio nya le obotuma mekpobe is one of the reason eke eyata I went to the megbomo bu na agbezo na do susuglo nukata ne susube Ghana to vevieto but Africa countries vovo o support Mexico against South Africa yo odroji ha
Top radio back correct.
ekpojijo be odru South Africa dia alo mekpojijo menye bene bole amile fofua menye do hia be Africa de koyo po chance hele World Cup ama menye do lebe mi awodeka a support each other be mi aton Africa ton ha wa vle hoya ayi ngovide wu other countries so kake why is it there amegedeo Africa togedeo countries gedeo over support other alo le supporting o support Mexico against South Africa mekwebe do fe tagbose center o fe wona yi over le wo recent time later ye mekpobe eyata amegedeo o ha de leke na susu eyata ya kakeme do nyobe mi awodeka ab Africa do call a support mi anyo le World Cup ya mewa be mi ocha nya do afia de sunu a cup cover Africa ye mi ape Africa pe du corner ingo afiwa leke na susu the kawo de menye this is the time ole be mi awodeka le World Cup ya mewa ame African countries view okpo gome alo leke na susu eyanye egbefe nyati yom ne na do susu blo le ehaya amegbe le ehaya
Tune it in.
KJ.
Turn it up.
Use
ehaya megbe ye na de
Top radio back correct.
ado susu blo le ehaya megbe authentic mama the 103.1
Thank you.
Ayom le 0303944864 0303944864. Allo Ayo le 02024200030. Ayo le 02024200030 or 0303944864. Miele phone in segment me de osusuglo cho topic ya eke una aponu cho akpedeko na we popole ayon kon na lemon na wo radio me de kokune ne va bobo radio ademe Nema Boboya, Yematewa Howo, Airta is phone in segment. You can call in now your views or comment concerning the World Cup. Aleke mi abe Africa du call ene mia awadeka le World Cup yama nye lekwa. The World Cup and Africa unity. That is the topic for today. Ke nye se aleke Mexico coach Heg Blo be in fact Yimekpona reke po support areke to Africa po abe aleke uncho yekpo support to Africa. Let me read the message from the coach. Abe Africa unity. Africa truly supported us and stood behind us. I have never experienced anything like this before in my life. We are very grateful to Africa. That is from Mexico coach. If you are there is something. So Africa to call, he has not, he never seen anything like that. Support from Africa against our own African countries. Lekpo aben uchofebol yopo novi todolao. Lekemia wa Africa to call. Apopumia rokwa support mianyo le World Cup 2026 yame novi todolao. Hello, apometo. Hello. Hello, okay. Let me start all over. 0303. Yeah, 0303. Which one? 0303944864. I'm a banto lekaji. Where's up?
Hold on.
If when you Joffrey, Agbojinshi.
That's the father captain. I will over top item. I will do them.
Maracuyo.
Never work at Yinka, the Kalaka, the government is somewhat of Fleba. Then you have to help you, said you don't, not for you don't. I told young Bara, South Africa, Africa to call Tata, Ghana Halemata, and another he work up here, you know, but another. no we know the so madam ha appearing and you know the foreign and yare
Okay.
more than
Kake here.
that Dama, what all my nation there. That is a nation there. What are you that time? This is why the more I got an offer the more got so much of community, you can see an afternoon. Yeah, that how that is the phone of your there's another to them. That is
Obe washmen no let me pay area so let me come hele got time bola copper got time komia at the 2 meto na now allow let me nyako ko be me na allow do na me ve kabakabako akpe akpe me we pokple 0303 944 or 020 for Francis Dunenyo. Hello,
authentic mama.
For Francis Merakuyo wezo for Francis malanko se Merakuyo lo
Top radio back correct.
Madam Kuku, a more you fed, a more you blend or Yamawa patch there. Over to Sudan of Mount Afwan of book big pusher hour.
okay
You feel like Melanie for Planeto Atomic Junction, a to agreement, Afina Zongo Junction, a more agame, Afina Zongo Junction. Kana Echija, and another chief Hana the Moji Alebebe, near Mayole, Nizam Mikra, look for Vizio, then a pack of water, can you have an Atosham for Navici do the Moji? They are Tamada Kukuna Amatisha, no for you have a more patch patchu, you have to run about you can't blend photos with man, what for kind of big pusher hour.
okay I'm a veletoje for
you say had banto in a Mr. Fike, you know, by restaurant, only Asofan.
okay
Veliana in this precious Mauno, you know, Kumasi, Amako.
Hello, Apameto. A ways of phone call laughing at you. The better one. Oh, lava boy, ways of Kobe man. Actually, me at the left my low like me boy.
Oh, my bed. My mother said my family. They are this year, or never to me. I'm a someone to my mother come to you. From to be market, travel, you know, to be mother.
I see. Okay. Okay. African countries. Ayom 0303 944 864. Allo 020-242-0030. Miela Nupocho World Cup 2026 World Cup EKJ government won't see. Hello.
Hello.
Wait so. Wait so. Focus yacho. Okay. Nia obo chele enublele nene hello.
Oh, I play my major pro. I'm gonna move for my major pro.
Ya no carbon sube no can sube na be chele efema wo sigbele mi agbo no can susu.
No ko apa ti e go ni ya. Ni yo ya ti atuna no go to kan bana gina. Ko tagare le no boto no panja.
Okay.
Ati ako na go takata yo bana na ata.
I see. Oh, Mesebo le chacha so. Mesebo le chacha le mi so na me yo block e chepe mo to wa. Wa do le.
Never me amara ko mo block e mo na ma.
Okay. Okay.
Omo gata be ke no lo kokoro gota da mama gota da te no mala ne be na mu polo kokoro me ni to ku ya ti ada ma. No ni ba te ku ti ke e bola lo kokoro be ni ama ni to lo ku kala ta ne bia o su de be to ta na go go lo ku.
Enyaye.
Ta go go to na ni.
Obe ne me kwa me ma fu kum ya report l'assembly. Akpe yiji. To kana me fe.
Amaleka ne gbo ka ka to ko nya na. O mo ko na ka harato. Ale ba puta katana ko paru no nya bebe amonotia no ja amonotia monotia ita tina ko ko be Africa me de yo ai ne ja ko boy we ko wa ta lo bore da ka ai ko guma ko to po de Ghana in to pro ko yo ne bagana o bo na ke ma ko nya bapana ata yi ko me yo da ka wala nya me ma yi ma ko so po de Ghana in to pro ko yo ne bagana ke ni ke jo ko ba do baramata
okay
pro no mo de we Africa na nya no na ni ye nya isa ni to ni na ru nya le ko nya la
okay
ai na ko to ata be bo le bono ya ani bo na ni
okay
le di mo na ba to ro
akpe pokpele ko amebo buhana academy 0303944864 allo 0202420030 ayo le line o do method si adeji ado susu glo ela be le phone in segment de o susu glo ni yo le jojo allo ni yo ne se be jo le come peta kaka yo mekana wana de o susu glo chonti pede kone na doka na meve na mi ayi wona g 0303944864 allo 0202420020 apeto Kingston Kwate Belemoji Fred Mancha Minta Elemoji Plemi Charity Dovia Elemoji Plemi Sister Charity akpe miawele miakpom apeto Noble Yauche Adonu ebe imparting motherland. Thank you so much. Elemiakpom all the way from far. Apeto Emmanuel Meganshi Yefe invisible producer Wezo Welemoji. Hello.
le Davi ebepa ye
Efo Gallon Wezo.
ayo be so an ko bibi
Melelo.
le be ita no ba bu bi da me tere be bu ya tere be
Ya wegbo.
yo ba do afena we le be on ya ita you me say awo o ya ni na te ko ma do ba le me ka ko
Okay.
na be
Akpe do kana meve.
yo ayi me abenefle bango ko mi apata yo pata le afekle be
okay
ayi me anyala
marakuwasi
akpe
okay bye bye 0303944864 0303944864 allo 0202420030 0202420030 de osusu glo so enyayo ne se ne be elejojo Afeto Fred Mancha Minta be great work authentic etonam tojro ebe lemiakpom ba woto lemiakpom Blanksin Blood enjoying the program. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Affect Arvent Sandy ebe lemiakpom Afeto Cornelius Akume elemiakpom efo daddy le mommy mi aweso hello aweso apometo nko kla fina yo chefo bobo radio ademe na ngmereko
nko yi beje
le yo chefo medako mi le toji
wetu chele ko wale ni le tia amoke mo chefo mo mi be tia
let me on hala the entire area I see amo tu ko de ko chipe moji lo alomianto le nu ko fere gota bola o chele ma mi akpomi adoke oji ni obe fifie ne ne pa mede le enu ma wo ko obe mi a report le mi afa assembly so sia
le bi
do ganelo not of
The day na police will be play video. The record I don't tell me say.
Okay.
That too.
Marakuyo. I say me awele toji la dentalo. Okay. 0303-944-864. 0303-944-864. Hello, Apameton. Efo Pitadra. Anya Palestine to.
Oh,
Etie meka de fukado de.
Nta nya gomola no manya flo. Akwa na nya ba gare bolimi adora ba o. Mauna ba nyamu tiana so vira ha anyo ba ta. Na matare jiba sama tangwa o dota ro kumya mano de na mako ga tanya kubasa people jimu ya malo alo kwa tata ni manya leke o jo ba ta kubasa ni ya madare.
Oh, Baba Nami.
Ela be miafa moha lema from ebojo abachu elo ka abachu dance mayire pala town so gira kwa na matare kwa mesenga okura ka tuga ne na wo ma banya wo da na nya be la fora ma ka senfa manya ba nyo da ka de na o ka MC de so baba manya ba so nyo da ka de do nya ba Moha, the Bomo, Tibanyanya, Palome, Aluka, let's put the family to Matorantia. I bet the pet.
Okay. Danemi Yana open call premiale of a Medbeacoma Acasio Tisia.
Okay. Kanama crocket now, Yana, Nanya, Ranger, the Matoran, Kotala, Manya, a dialogue, but that will
okay.
Dogana
meve. Amole moji.
You Matumoto do Baba no one Fuma. You know, but I want to point out that I let on the local Papa Catalo.
Okatawa say now, ha. Okay, now Vito Dola, phone insert me Top Radio 103.1 FM 635. Nanya 50 have never tune in. El authentic mama. Bele Dunenyo Borborbor show. When custom. Nile nupom. De wo susu blog. Magla. Na jukona yingo. Niyo nese. Be ejo. Feta kakayo me kanao. Nyakala si odumevi wonu tepe 0303-944-864. Alo 020-242-0030. Todo lava vao. Sister Peace, for me, a good evening, authentic mama, mele, upom, le Santa Maria, wele dojilo, maune rao, akpe, apeto Nelson, kuono, ebe le ponye, Sister Doris, Delali, achuche, ebe le ponye, akpena mikata, bawa hoto, ele emoji, apeto Cornelius, akume, ele emoji, daddy, miawezo, apeto Blanson, ebe, it is good. Thank you so much. Enjoying the program. Okay. Sister Cynthia Nuchuga, please, I'm requesting a song for my younger sister called Akushika Mauto Akume as she celebrates her birthday today. Okay, happy birthday to you, Sister Akume. Akushika Mauto Akume from your sister Cynthia Nchuga ebe agbedidela mesen. Okay, for kone ayiko miawele miakpom afeto Castro, though you always make my Saturday special. Keep it up. Good work, authentic mama. Thank you so much. Castro Ebele listening and watching live from Cape Coast. Thank you so much for Castro, though. Sister Delali, okay. Afeto John Agbo Ven Elemoji Plemi afeto Efo Kofi Eric Kofi Dajawa. Good evening, Sister Mefa. I'm watching live from Kaneshi. God bless you. Good work. Thank you. Ebe, hello. Good evening. Watching you from Alajo. Afeto John Agbo. Thank you so much. Bambi Bakla. Ebe Yeleponye live. Elom Kumi. Ebe Yeleponye live. Afeto Harrison Ajim. Good evening, Mama. Long time. I'm watching you live in Nongwa Raviko, aka Eze Ego 1 in Ghana. Okay. Apeto Akpenami. Nukwala Okata, Miawele Toji, Apeto Yumano Do, Pulebu Okata, Peto Philip, Kwashi Do, Miawezo, Apeto Kagblo Wisdom. Good evening, authentic Mama. You are welcome. We thank God for giving us another Saturday. God bless you. I am Wisdom Gaglozo, watching you live from Domi, Accra. Greetings to all my mates from Vegbek Parliament in the Volta region. Thank you so much. Hayford Adai, Elemojik Plemi, Afeto Williams Jebe, Elemojik Plemi, Safin Raman, Elemojik Plemi, Edem, Afeto Edem Masima, Elemojik Plemi, Pula Bubwa Okata, Akpenami, Miawele Etoji, Miawele Nupom, Akpenami. Live on top 103.1. Afeto Fred Minta Meshach Minta about authentic news. Okay, Rebecca Bwedia Bwedi Elemoji Plemi Akpe Nkata Miawele Enupom Letoji Akpename Nyayiji. Maho last 3 callers, so 0303 944 864 0303 944 864 allo 020242 0030 Atenwayo Pedeko Maijima for Hadeka Agbajadeka Makowunu Afima Yijipele everyday music Nami Weda Lekola Nemyeko reggae music Adoko Dema and Ano Fine Yata Makle messages ado le Facebook nuya ha kaba ne Afeto
Top radio back correct.
Reverend Meshach. Okay, Minta. Oh, okay. Oh, you are the one, Reverend. I salute you. Good evening, Reverend. Okay, Apeto Gabriel. Apeto Gabriel. Amewo. Ashama Central Goodness Square. And a taxi driver. Le overhead. Klagon. Akpe. Ashama the bridge. Miawele Etochi. Ple taxi driver. So katan len konye same if you like. Ple listening so. La fuma. Medog benami kata klagon taxi driver so kata akpebe miele twaji medekuku. Okay, menye bobobo meti mako yiji afiolo mako agbaja ko yiji ne mako ako everyday music ava yiji. To the love of all 6:46 p.m. Nyatepe wonye na nedeme Yesu Kristo a ekpesese wonye togbobo kuhi ova adukulu didu ova ha na nedeme Yesu Kristo kwa abrosawo madojiwo todo lava vao yamekowu agbajanu makale messages de adokava makalo kabakaba na ma yijiple everyday music makowu nuname royal coronation announcement mekojijo blemon popo ya bema
Top radio back
Obed, chiefs, elders, and people of Aziave traditional area, we are proudly announce the coronation ceremony. Now, Mama Diawusi of the Dede Royal Clan, divisional queen mother of Mando Ziavi. Date Friday 26 June 2026 Aziavi traditional ground under the cashew nut tree arrive at 8 a.m. oko aziavi duko pando ziavi duko efiao dumevio ple mama o du amechichio de vi o katan le jokpo le gbepan ya debe yo po mama tohede yo po nyonu zaze ade ke yo be yo akodo efia nyonu na ziavi ekpando ziavio eata ole azangan ya du le junior pen kekebla adevo
Top radio back correct.
Junior, pen kekebla vevo adelia 26th of Junior le aziavi traditional ground afimi o na ofenu la le casino tree atela fuma unti ganyi ko wona ajegome wado efia nyonu ya yo la mama nkonye mama dia wusi of the Dede royal clan enye divisional queen mother nakpando aziavi. Congratulations don't go na mama nyawebo doge congratulations to her na yina o emegbe ha ne obadrevoa makweva mojile fimi afonu play akpoto dasi yo le si obo na kpando aziavi ogbe fofu anya apeto Cornelius akumen okay Maichi messages so ado le WhatsApp amaklona mikabakaba ya be good evening.
Top radio back correct.
I hope by his grace you are doing well. Okay, please send my greetings to all the Lofechume Tona Coffee Youth Association Tokata, especially Gilbert Honu, Brad George Seke, Blebra Patrick's Honu, Okata, all at Owners Barbering Shop, Lomnava, Apeto Believer Honu, Abeka La Paz, Sister Mefa, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Akpen, Eyabe, Eyina Apeto Joseph 4 year. Afeto Joseph 4 year. Ebu Eyaha Ebu Efe sister, Lon Deka ke Kudo Dwao ha. Egbo Eji Igbele Agesme ne Eye Yale de Dokwa ma.
Top radio back correct.
Ma degbefa Ekua Fe Dodo Kata Afeto Joseph 4 year. Ebu Efe sister, elder sister, ke wonao Ekufe Dodo ano Chile Ages, Jila Ages, fe Nuome Lekofodra net ya dekwa ma adegbefa Dodo tohe Dodo ejiwa zo Ekufe Dodo ao ma adegbefa na me. Afeto Joseph 4 year. Okay. Mie common papa ya do baba na 4 year for mi okata le kofodu akple fika afe baba na me. Eyina sister Cynthia enye prison officer. Sister Cynthia ehana yina tohede afisa fikene from ASP Cynthia Nuchuga Mrs.
Top radio back correct.
From ASP Cynthia Nchuga Mrs. to Mauto Aku Shika Akume. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Now you know ASP Cynthia Nchuga Mrs. Congratulations. Now me medofia iname enye presence officer. Let me ankosem. Thank you so much. Okay. Please help me. Please feel my condolences for the death of your late brother. I believe strongly that the good Lord will position his soul at a very promising place, whereby both of you and you and I also will see ourselves in the future to come. Say bless in the Lord. From SK Henry. Oh, thank you so much. Efonye SK Henry. Ele baba donam. Okay, back now for Henry. Mesen corrected. Good evening, Sister Mefa. I love you so much. Today's work, I'm a John from Alajo. Kisses. Okay, thank you so much. For John Alajo to Akpenami. Nyawele Tuajin. Hello, Sister Authentic Mama. Mecho Kasiele Fiendona. Kafi nyonyo le Omanjo EP Sedina. Selina nyonyo le Adenta Mr. and Mrs. Kenyonyo le asofa awoshi ple pom mone okay pom mone agbolozu le Belenkpe ARS Church. Okay. Echo Presbyter Francis Nyonyogbo Name. Okay. Ayina Dr. Bena Gadagui Belenkonya Sem Ohio USA Hanayina o Ayina Todola yo katale toaji ameyo abe MFA yiko kuma nani adade kaswa to efokuma akpe nyawele toaji eyina Todola desi ade ne metankle ofe messages so osugbo egbe medota flache messages so osugbo Facebook play text message WhatsApp to odo we ya mekle maka yiti ka kemise hayada meti ma wezrika ye ya handeda okay Eyabe Apeto Richard Gaveji Ponye live show, I think Italy. Hello, good evening, my wife. Thank you. Aho Teresa Ponye live and Nogbeji Rose. Well done, my sister. Bulebuba Okata Jeffrey Gati Pleto Akpebemile Etwaji. Mr. Haya. Everyday music Makowuna. Everyday music, authentic mama. Authentic mama, the 103.1. Authentic mama, the 103.1.